Putin's chef Yevgeny Prigozhin admits to interfering in US election. A close ally to Russian President Vladimir Putin has admitted to interfering in US elections. On November 7, Yevgeny Prigozhin admits, "We have interfered, are interfering, and will continue to interfere carefully, precisely, surgically, and in our own way." Yevgeny Prigozhin is known as Putin's chef since his catering firm operates out of the Kremlin. Prigozhin's admission came on the eve of the US midterm elections.
As I've traveled this country and the world, I see great nation because I know we're a good people. We just have to remember who in the hell we are. We are the United States of America. I truly believe we're just getting started. I've never been more optimistic about America's future than today.
Today they announced they had 5,000 people for Obama and vote campaigns. You're a nation that no longer has a free and fair press. Fake news is all you get. And we are a nation that loves to be rained upon.
The White House has sought to reassure voters that there have been no credible threats to election security.
Going to the polls, it is important for Americans to do so.
In September, Prigozhin publicly stated that he founded a private security firm. The Wagner group helps the Kremlin recruit, train, and deploy mercenaries to Ukraine. Lately, Russian forces have been mostly on the defensive since invading Ukraine. But in the town of Bakhmut, Russian forces have launched an aggressive attack, largely due to the manpower recruited by the Wagner group. Prigozhin has reportedly sent thousands of soldiers to the eastern region. Ukraine President Volodymyr Zelensky admits the fiercest battles are in Donetsk region near Bakhmut and Avdiivka. The craziness of the Russian command is now most evident there. Day after day, for months, they are driving people to their deaths there. Analysts say that while Bakhmut is hardly valuable to Russia, Prigozhin harbors an ulterior motive by sending fighters there. Russian troops are on the defensive and Yevgeny Prigozhin is showing himself as being on the offensive. That is his main interest, to transform this battle into political influence and therefore money. Thanks for watching the video.